Today is National Cookies Day and we'll be creating this video and we'll use Canva for doing that. Stay till the end of this video because I have something really special for you guys. Hi, my name is Mohit and welcome to Tenika Creations. Let's get into Canva. Click on this button here, create a design, custom size, add in the value 1080 and 1080 so that we have a square resolution video. So create new design. We're inside the Canva editor. Let's go up here. Let's call it cookie or whatever name that you want to give for the video. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to click on the canvas here and then select this color. I'll just maybe go with something like this and let's just see something like that, a little more lighter, yep, something like that, and let's keep it like this. Okay, then go to elements and in elements let's go to the frames, click on see all and let's find that square one. This is the one, so let's click on that. We have it here. I'm going to place it somewhere like that. That should be good, I think. And now let's close this one, go back to the elements, and there we can select here from the recently used, or we can use the shapes. We need a square shape, so we'll go under shapes and click on this and change the color of that to something more brownish. So let's go here, click on the new color, let's bring it like that. All right, let's see, maybe a little more darker, and let's reduce the opacity. Click on this button, transparency here, and set it to 50. Hold Alt to scale it uniformly. We're going to do this like so, and then we'll go to position and click on backward. Okay, and then let's bring it here. I think that's a good size and it seems to be in the center, so we don't have to center it. Then let's bring our logo. Go to uploads. I'm going to click on this, take this out of the frame, let's bring it there and scale it like so. I think that's a good size for the logo. Maybe I will move it a little to the right. Okay, then let's go to elements once again, go to shapes, and under shapes let's scroll down to find this one here. I'll click on that and then I will apply the same color for it, this one, and make sure that that's also 50% opacity. Okay, so now I will just drag it there, scale it up like so, and just place it over there. That should be good. I will click on that, Ctrl D to duplicate it and bring it over here to the right, and that should look good as well. Let's place it somewhere there. Okay, now we need to bring the text. Let's go to text, add a heading. It's National Cookie Day. All right, change the font from Open Sans to, let's go for Beliza. Let's go with that. And to make this more interesting, we'll select this part, Ctrl X to cut that. Okay, then select the text, Ctrl D to duplicate it. I'm going to paste the copied text in there. All right, so we have the text like this. Let's place it more like so. Okay, this doesn't look all that great, so what we can do is okay, let's bring in a square shape. Let's go to elements, And under the elements, let's go find the square. It's got that. Let's bring it here. Let's change the color to this. I think that'll be good. And scale it up like so. And move it like that. And let's bring it down like so. And yeah, that will be a good background for the text. Right. Since it's brown in color, let's just change the color of the text to white so it stands out. Okay, so let's select the text and the background and bring it there. I think that should look good. Okay, now it's National Cookies Day, so let's find a video. I have uploaded the videos in here, the videos that I'm going to use for this video. So let's click on this one and let's drag it into the frame. Double click on it to reframe it. Let's position it right, double click and move it, click and drag it to the right and click outside. That's it. So let's click here and make sure that this is 5 seconds long. So click on the right and bring it down. Done. Okay. Now let's copy this. Click and drag and Ctrl C to copy. And then let's click on add page. Here we will do the same thing. Ctrl V to paste it. The only difference that we're going to do is we'll select this, click and drag both of these, and then let's just move it this side like so. And then click on this one and move it like so. Yeah, we'll just move this text and this one like this side towards this side. So let's fill in the text here. Let's go for don't we all love them? Yes, that looks good. Let's move it a little to the left and reduce this like so. And now change this video, don't we all love them? Let's bring this video in, let's place it in there, double click and maybe let's move it here. Okay, and let's reduce the size to 5 seconds. I mean the length to 5 seconds. But the problem is right now for this video we cannot see the cookies. We'll have to move it up. Let's select all of those and move it up like that. Right? So that makes sense. Adjust it a bit this side. Yeah, that would look good. Now once again I'll copy the first one, Ctrl C, add a new page. Here click on the canvas, Ctrl V to paste it. I will change the text to have it with, let's change this one to tea or coffee. Right, so let's adjust it so that we have the space. Okay, we'll have to reduce the size for this right now. Let's set it to 65. Select this, 65. Alright, so let's move this here and then bring this one here as well. Okay, let's make this slightly bigger. Move it here and this should work. Let's change the video, so delete it and then let's look at, okay, this one that suits this line properly and the framing is also good, so just select and adjust the length. Let's set it to 5 seconds, 5 seconds, done. Right, now let's go to the second frame and copy all of that, Control C, add a new page, click here, Control V to paste, that should be good. And let's type in enjoy your best snack. Enjoy your best snack. And I think, yeah, that would be good. Move it there. Delete this video from here. And let's go with this one. Yes. Drag it in. Now, once again, we'll have to make a change. We'll have to bring the text down because cookie is better up there, right? So you have enjoy your best snack, right? And now let's add the logo. So add a page, and there we'll bring our logo. Hold Alt and scale it up, move it up, and then bring in the text. The text, let's make sure that that is monster rat, anything that whatever works for you. Maybe let's go with Beliza itself and reduce it to say 35. Okay, and here what do we use? I go for www.logo.com. So that's what it is. So we've set up all the designs. Now we need to add some animation. So what we'll do, we'll click here and then click on pan. I'll select this one. I'll go for rise. Here I will select this. I'll go for pan. And this we will use rise. I just generally feel like these two look really good compared to the rest. So you will use a rise here again. We need to reduce the length of this video. Let's make that 5 seconds. Bring it down like so and done. So let's play it now. So the video is looking really good. Yes. So like I mentioned earlier, there is something really special that I want to offer to you guys. Recently, I launched a product called MSV, which is Monthly Social Videos. Now, what this product allows you to do is it gives you one video like the one that we just created for every single day of the month of December. So all you have to do is simply change the logo, put your logo and add your URL, and with just 5 minutes of work, you will have your video that you can post on your social media. If you want to change the colors, you want to change the videos, all of that is possible. But if you don't have the time and you don't want to do any of those things and just want to post something every single day without worrying about what ideas to post. So all of that is taken care of, and all of these videos are done in Canva, completely editable. And coming to that something special part, I'm giving you guys a coupon code. You can use 7 off at the checkout to get $7 off. Check the site out. It's called monthlysocialvideos.com. I'm sure you will enjoy using it. And let me know, give me the feedback, whatever good, bad. We are constantly improving. So that's about it for this video. If you like this kind of content and want to see more of these, subscribe to the channel, leave a like. In the comment section, ask anything that you want to ask about the product or any doubt that you might have on creating such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.